Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here, Senior Commodities Broker with RJO Futures, and today is August 27th, bringing you some energy commentary here. So let's talk about it. What do we got going on here? Well, crude prices much firmer here on the overnight, and they started really pulling back here quite a bit since we're kind of really getting into the brunt of the trading day here this morning. So right now we've got October crude. We're sitting around 95.04, down around 106. The Brent 112.35. That's down 121. So we're seeing that come under some pressure here. Give me a call. You want to talk about the spread, the Brent WTI spread. Be more than happy to go over, entry, exit points, and talk to you about how you could potentially take advantage of that. Taking a look at the nat gas here, which we have nat gas prices here a little bit firmer here. We're up about 2 cents there, around 271.90, 272 area. So a little bit firmer there. Big story here right now though on the RBOB here. That's moving here. We're around 313.56. That's up about 5.77. So big jump there. The heat around 312. That's up about 97 there as well. Really looking at the fundamentals here. What's kind of driving markets? What's moving this stuff here a lot this morning? Well, we've got the tropical storm Isaac moving through. That's really helping cause that big spike in the RBOB, along with there's some refinery fire in Venezuela. So it's really adding to it. But that tropical storm there, that really has, put some support there into the market a little bit. They estimate right now, it's moving through a key area here in the Gulf. It's about 25% of the oil and gas production is shut in right now. So, it certainly has a potential to do some damage there. We'll see. But, what's interesting to note is that the market got off to a much firmer tone initially on that, and then we've really started pulling back here a little bit. That in the wake of the dollar being, quite a bit weaker here as well, which would generally be supportive for most commodity markets, but not helping out in that crude here right now. Of course, we still have, violence in Syria, so that's still, on traders' minds. Also, I think it's worth noting that the last COT report here, it appears that money managers are stepping in and they were buying into the energy market, so into the crude oil in particular. So I think that's helped kind of support the market here a little bit. And then traders are watching also. We've got Jackson Hole coming up, so traders are watching to see, are we going to get any indication of possibly some additional stimulus dollars coming into the market or not? So traders kind of watching that. But I think again, interesting to note that the market got off to a much firmer tone on some stronger fundamentals, and yet now the market's trading lower here. We hit a low. It's the lowest we've been here since August 16th. So we are getting some good pullback in that market, and we've actually been kind of seeing that market kind of slowly start to lose a little bit of momentum and start rounding over. Short-term technical indicators very overbought in that market, in my opinion. And I think there could be some good opportunities here to play the short side of the market, but you got to be cautious. So, I think if you want to discuss that, get into a little bit more detail, whether you're a bull or a bear in that market, give me a call. We can review, some different strategies that might be appropriate for you. Always keep in mind that, futures trading does involve the risk of loss. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.